boy Joe, and I'm back with another video. You feel me? But you wait to stop right now. I know y'all wondering, Joe, where you and Chris been at? And honestly, I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what y'all want to know. Exactly. But check it though. But in this video is not it. I'm not gonna let y'all know this video. You feel me? If y'all watching this video, y'all already know what's going on because y'all seen the title. Y'all know exactly what I'm finna do. You feel me? But stop. Just pause it for a minute. Look, if y'all watching the video right now, you are officially a member of TOG. You feel me? I'm gonna let y'all know what that means later. But look. Congratulations, represent that TOG to the top, you feel me? But look, boom. So today, like I said, you already seen the title, but I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory of why I'm doing what I'm doing today. Okay, so boom. I'm driving in my truck, man. You already know I'm rolling. I call it Shanice, you feel me? We coming through that thing, bumping, you feel me? But anyway, I'm driving on the interstate, or just driving anything above, 50 miles per hour, whatever. And I hear wind, bro, on the driver's side. I always hear like a little, it be blowing me. Like, I've been driving in mud for a nice little minute now. And I hear it every single day, bro. Like, I can't deal with no more. I can't. I be driving, I turn radio all the way up. Radio be all the way up. And I can still hear it because it's right there beside my ear. Now, if it was in the back, then it probably be straight. But no, it's right beside my ear, so it's curtain. So we gotta get that fixed ASAP. And I finally bought the part to fix it. So today I'm putting it on and I'm taking y'all with me. You feel me? And today, ooh, I just forgot. Today y'all are officially finna meet Shanice. Okay, y'all officially. So y'all better get excited. Cause I'm telling you, when y'all see her, whew, I'm telling you, bro, I got so many plans for her, bro. On me, I got so many plans, bro. So I'm gonna take y'all with me on the whole journey, cause it's gonna be a whole transformation. You feel me? Her whole transformation video. So boom, y'all better get excited. So let's get this going. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Alright, so right now I'm currently inside the truck as we speak. I know y'all can hear. So I'm finna go ahead on the interstate right now so y'all can hear exactly how it sounds before I put the piece on and after. But man, bro, it's so much traffic, bro. It's so much traffic. I'm gonna try to get to the interstate as fast as possible, so I won't keep y'all waiting on what's going on. But I'm right next to the interstate, so it'll probably take me not even 10 seconds to get there. You feel me? And I'm gonna try to I'm gonna go and push her so y'all can legit go on here. I'm pretty sure y'all can be able to hear it without me even going that fast. Like I said, like at least 50 miles per hour, you should be able to hear it. See, I got the radio off so y'all can be able to hear it. Hopefully y'all can be able to hear it. Hope y'all can hear that. Can y'all hear that? I'm trying to go a little bit faster so it. Bro, I know y'all can hear that, bro. I know. Me gonna get to find this 18 wheeler, but they be going slow. I don't like driving beside the 18 wheelers because man, some of them don't even know how to drive sometimes, bro. Like, I ain't say not all of them, but like, man, one mess up by them is curtains. So I know y'all can hear that. So I'm gonna go ahead to the spot where I'm finna put it on it, and I'll check back in with y'all. All right, guys, I'm back, and got some bad news. I go to get all my tools I need for the job or whatever, and I take a quick look at the piece that I bought. I mean, I looked at it when I got it because I ordered offline, but I didn't take it outside to look at the truck with it. And it seems that I have the wrong tool. Bruh. So I'm not going to be able to do it today because obviously I don't have the right piece it calls for. Oh, why is it so hot? Hold on, let me take the jacket off, cause man, this is terrible. Bro, I'm over here over here sweating bullets, man. I actually thought it was gonna be colder today, but no. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, it's the wrong piece. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how it looks, tangled up. If I can get it out. Here's what I thought was a weather strip. I glanced at it, like I said, when I got it in the mail, and I really assumed that it would fit. But now that I'm actually looking at the truck, the piece that I need is this right here. The whole strip going around right here. And as you can see, I mean, it's a clear, you know what I'm saying, total difference of the two pieces. You feel me? And it's so frustrating because I really thought I can go and get this knocked out today. But it's crazy. It's crazy. This video is going to be a 2-part video. I'm gonna still go and post this video, cause so yeah, I'm still post this video. And I'm gonna show y'all the truck, how it looks now. But before I do that, I'm gonna add a picture of how it looked before I put what I did on it, so you can see the before and the during right now, how it looks. So here she looks right now. I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough of how she looks now, so y'all can get a good look at it. Yeah, I haven't washed her in a minute. She actually got some little mud on her. Yeah, I've been doing a little mud riding a little bit. Not really. It's splashing a few puddles I see. Yeah, Rado. I also have a gooseneck trailer hitch right there with ball. I can use that. I plan on keeping this in here. I actually thought about removing this plate, because I mean, it's really hard to haul stuff, because right now I'm not really using the ball a lot right now. But I actually thought about taking it out, but I feel like once I do take it out, I'm gonna actually need it. And I mean, if you can see, this plate is not an easy, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a quick thing to throw in and take out. So I'm just gonna keep her in there for right now. In the picture, you already see a toolbox already in here, but this is the toolbox that I purchased right here. The toolbox in the picture, the previous owner took off, so it didn't come with this, so I put it on myself. You can see I have Toyo tires, all terrain. But yeah, I mean, then I put the towing mirrors on here. So I have a few upgrades that I put on here. I mean, it's not a lot, but I mean, you can see a slight difference of how it looked before when I purchased it. And I have a backstory about this truck, and I'm going to do that in another video. But let me show you how the inside looks right now. Disregard, I need to clean up a little bit. Have my tools lined up that I'm gonna use for the job, but obviously I can't do anything with it right now. So, but anyway, all right, this how the dashboard looks. Yeah, okay. Just showing y'all everything, how the truck looks right now. Showing y'all how it looks. And you know, few stuff. Got my water gun on deck. Never know when somebody went that crazy. Just grab a little bit of water. Then, yeah, I mean, oh snap, almost fell. That's her. Give me y'all suggestions of what y'all think about her. I love her. My very first truck. So yeah, so y'all just give me a little feedback about her. She's a Chevy Duramax 2003 6.6 turbo diesel, 2500 HD. I mean, she can do anything I want her to do. Legit, you know what I'm saying? She been rocking with me for a minute. I love her, man. I mean, like I said, I have so many upgrades that I'm going to do to this truck, and I'm so excited. And like I told y'all earlier in the video, I'm going to take y'all with me throughout this whole journey. So hopefully y'all got a good picture of how she looks now, and in the future she's gonna look totally different, because like I said, I have so many plans, and I'm so excited to even get started. So thank you for watching this video. If you lasted this long, I appreciate you. You are officially a TOG member, because you're a real one. I love y'all, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't mind, man, if you really love this video or love, like, I don't even know, just like watching it, and you can see the potential this truck has, just please share it to all your friends, family, people you don't know. It don't matter. Just share it for me. And I'll see y'all later, man. You did.